Welcome friends to Dynamics Tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am going to show you amazing text trick which you can use on your own pictures or to make any motivational or story kind of images. So how you can clip a picture on a text, I have already covered a video. Link is in the description, you can go and check that too. So in this tutorial you can learn how you can embed a text onto your picture. So for that, let's get straight into the video. So I have already opened a picture here and I am changing its canvas size to 1080 pixels in square. You can choose any size you want, but I am choosing a square canvas here so that my effect will look perfect. So now I am resizing my image to fit it in the canvas. So I am first converting my layer into a smart object so that the pixels won't get pixelate. How a smart object work? You can also learn that from my previous video, link is in the description. Moving ahead, so first I am dividing this canvas into two parts. So how you can do that? Go to view, choose new guide layout. From here you can add column guidelines and row guidelines. You can also change its gutter. Gutter is the gap between two guidelines. So you can click 0 just in case it's 0.2. So I am hiding the row here and just choosing the column so that I can see the midpoint of the canvas. So I am placing my picture in the middle of the box so that my text effect will look good. By clicking on the smart object layer thumbnail, here I am erasing the white background. Now if you see this space here, this is the space where I want to embed my text. So now what you have to do is just remove the blank area. So how are we gonna do that? Use smudge tool for that, or you can also use liquify. How you can perfectly use this smudge tool, I have already covered a video. Link is in the description, you can check that too. So using smudge tool is tricky for this image as you can't smudge the details of the face. Remember, never smudge eyes, nose and lips on any image while embedding that text on the image. So after using the smudge tool, press Command S or Ctrl S to save the changes. Make a duplicate of the layer and choose text tool. So text tool has also a benefit. You can make a rectangle or square column to fit your text inside the column boundaries. Choosing the half left side part of the image and pasting my text on the text box. So you can set your text by changing its font, even making your text shorter. So after setting the text on the text box, all you have to do is press Command on Mac or Control in Windows. You can make the text selection. So here you can see the selection. Now off this text layer and go to the image layer which you have smudged and mask the layer with the selection. So now you can see in this effect there are some face details, but our right side part is hidden. You can just choose the layer which we have duplicated earlier and mask the left side from that layer. Some cases, just like in this picture, you can't see your text completely, so you can change its level or contrast by adding levels and contrast from the adjustment layer. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.